Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I want to share how to test OLED display with Arduino UNO. And this is a very simple project for a beginner, and this will take for a few minutes to make sure our OLED display is work. So the components you're gonna need is Arduino UNO and OLED display and jumper wire and a small breadboard. So if you didn't have a breadboard, you can directly connect from OLED display to Arduino, but I'm using here is a male to male jumper wire, so I'm gonna use a breadboard here. If you don't have a male to male, you can use male to female, which will be directly connecting from OLED display to Arduino. So first, we're gonna connect from OLED display to Arduino. So this working voltage will be 3.3 to 5 volt. So here is VCC. VCC we connect to 5 volt here. Here's 5 volt, and the ground we connect to the ground. Here's the ground here, and SCL we connect to A5 here, and SDA we connect to A4 here. So this is pretty simple, and we're gonna use a USB cable to connect to computer. So it does not have any power yet. After we upload the code, this will have the power and this will have a display. So let's write the code. Arduino IDE, and here's the very simple code. And we already connect to Arduino UNO, and we're gonna choose our board here and just click upload. Then this will display hello world. So we can see this written hello world. So that means our code is work and our OLED display is working properly. If you think this video is helpful, and please help me to support, like and share, and you can ask anything in the comments. And thank you for watching my video.